Whole wheat toasted bread with avocado and egg. Eating whole wheat toast with avocado and egg for breakfast can offer many nutritional and healthy discoveries. Some of the advantages include: source of complex carbohydrates. Whole wheat bread is a source of complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly and steadily, thus keeping blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Healthy fats. Avocado is high in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. High-quality protein. Eggs are a complete and high-quality source of protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing muscles and tissues. Vitamins and minerals. Avocado is rich in vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Weight control. Eggs and avocados are satiating foods, which can help control appetite and prevent cravings for unhealthy foods throughout the day. In summary, eating whole wheat toast with avocado and egg for breakfast can be a great way to start the day with balanced nutrition and provide complex carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals for the entire day. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.